Okay, after a filling breakfast in Sault Ste. Marie, we find ourselves 2.5 hours east of there, a lake called Elliot Lake. How we found this place, I have no idea. It's in the middle of nowhere. Weather permitted, we're gonna start fishing. It's starting to rain right now. Oh, it's getting bad. Uh-oh, crap. Oh! What the? What? Oh, jeez, dude. We're taking cover under a tree. Oh my goodness.
Better than nothing.
Yeah, it's better than nothing. Holy crap, man. It's raining hard now. Woo! Oh my goodness. We're away.
Stayed in the car.
Oh, this is wild.
Are you gonna come in?
Yeah. Oh, man. Really hope this rain passes.
Should have worn my jacket.
The skies are clear.
Yeah.
Well, except right over us, but the skies are pretty clear. How do you feel?
I don't know. Very ill prepared. I'm not prepared. I'm wearing socks and Birkenstocks and
Okay, we are leaving the spot because it's bad weather. I'm running to the car right now so I can just drive and pick up Victoria. But that was a bad plan, just to come here and fish for a little bit. We're gonna try to find another lake, or maybe wait for the weather to pass. But yeah. Okay, so not too far away from Elliot Lake, we found this other lake. Not sure what the name of it is, but the weather cleared up, so we're going to start fishing here for a little bit and see if there's any good fish.
like pretty shallow.
Oh yeah.
I don't think
The water's shallow?
Yeah, I think the whole water station. You could probably like wade out there if you really wanted
Yeah.
to.
I changed into shorts, so I'm gonna go in the water. I'm gonna go knee deep in the water and see if I can cast out even further, because the water is a little bit shallow. It's a good day. Weather is turning up. Victoria caught her first fish.
Okay, hold on,
Looks like it's a pretty big, what is that, sunfish?
I don't know. Bluegill?
Where are you learning all this terminology?
I don't know.
Oh my, that's pretty huge. Wow.
It's not huge.
Yes, it is.
It's pretty big.
That's pretty big, man.
It's not bad. I didn't think the floater would work, to be honest. I was like, oh man, oh that's spiky. That's very spiky.
Yeah, good thing you got gloves on, then.
I didn't think I got it at first. I was like, dang it, I didn't get it.
Wow, and you still got the bait. At the start of this day, it wasn't looking that great, but it's looking pretty good now. Oh, look at that. Oh wait. Oh yeah, look at that baby. Oh yeah. Swim away, friend. How does your first fish of the day feel?
Pretty good. Actually, it's my second fish.
Oh yeah, true.
Caught one earlier, but
All right, weather update. Looks like the clouds are going that way and avoiding us, which is good. Victoria's got her little chair in the shade. Okay, I can't go deep enough in the water, so desperate times calls for desperate measures. Dude, I don't see any fish swimming here. Oh! Oh! Come on, baby! Oh yeah, that's tiny though. Yeah. The fish in this This lake is like not that big, man. This thing is tiny. There you go. I knew I'd catch something. Wasn't the greatest prize, but it's something, man. Oh, you got fish! You got fish! You got fish! I see it! Dude, I see it! Oh! Look at that.
Is it the same one? Hope not. I'm gonna have a busted eye.
Oh, nice. Look, it's just a whopping. Oh! Oh, yeah, they're fast. Oh, nice. Good catch. So we just saw a fish jump out on the other side of the lake, and we are going to go see if we can catch it because Victoria is very determined, as you can see. Yeah, it's around there. Dude, when did you turn extreme fisherman?
I'm not. I'm just trying to get something.
Dude, careful, your footwear isn't even the best. Yo, careful, man. Cast to the left.
This is so rocky. I'm gonna get it caught.
Okay, then come up. This one's okay. Yo, this one's better. This one's more open. Yeah.
I can't tell.
You got something?
No.
Oh, dang, what the heck? Dude, the way you yanked that back, I thought you had something.
Yeah, we were only able to catch small today.
Yeah, no big fish.
We did see one jump. Layton saw one jump out of the water over there, and we went over there to try to see if we can lure it in, but we lost the chatterbait. So that's funny.
Yeah, so that we're gonna call it a day for this location. We're gonna see another location that we spotted up earlier. I'm just glad the weather cleared up because at the start of this was very rainy and windy, but now it's all nice and clear. This is actually perfect weather for fishing. Yeah, we're gonna pack it up now. We only caught 3 fish here. Not much, but I mean, like, look at this. It's beautiful, man. It's nice and calm. Only us here. What more can you ask for? The weather just cleared up too. It's beautiful. Can't ask for more. But we're gonna move to another location. Okay, so we just pulled up at the dock spot and we're gonna try casting a few before calling it a day. It's right in front of a fountain.
There's another person at the other dock.
Yeah, another person's over there fishing, so that might be a good sign. Maybe we can catch something bigger at this lake. Let's see it. See how little. Oh, that's cute. Wow. Just with the worm, eh?
Yep.
Nice.
Good old worm.
Wow. 3rd fish of the day. Nice to see it. Oh, that's cute.
Another one of these bluegills or whatever. Sunfish or whatever.
Caught a tiny little perch. Hey, we can keep this, eh?
Yep.
Hey.
You want him?
Shoot, man! It's a...
No, I think it's still alive.
Are you sure it's not moving? Oh man, did I just kill a perch? Crap. The bloody thing ate the whole hook. Are you gonna entice it with the... Oh. Okay. Hopefully it's just unconscious and like it'll snap back to reality. Just like Eminem predicted.
Oh my gosh. What do you do?
Poor fish. I'm so sorry, fish. I didn't mean to. Oh, what the heck? I got another fish! Oh, I just what the heck? Dude, I wasn't even paying attention. Oh my god, I hope I don't kill this.
That's a bass. Put it back in the water.
Oh, this one's easy. Okay. Okay. Oh. Third one. This one's bigger.
Yeah.
Oh, that one swam away. Okay, we good. Okay, let's get out of here.